Top features of Fireflies. Turn your meetings into an automated knowledge base. It helps in logging calls, notes, transcripts, and meetings into your CRM. Highly accurate transcription quality. The English transcription system is trained specifically for conversations and meetings across a wide variety. Powerful search capabilities. Fireflies lets you search themes and topics along with keywords, create your own custom topic trackers with the click of a button. More flexibility with Chrome extension. Capture calls and meetings directly from your Chrome browser and have more control over captured pictures and transcription as well. Onboard sales reps faster with on-the-spot coaching. Streamline onboarding and help teammates uncover the formula for closing deals. Managers can leave comments at specific parts of calls. Built with security and access controls in mind. It provides team heads and individual users to have full control who can view and receive meeting recaps. Contact Software Horsepower for more offers.